Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. There is a task for you today. Okay, this is one of the most asked interview question as well as a real-time task. What you need to do is just understand the requirement and tell me in the comment section if you are a MuleSoft developer, how many ways we can solve this problem and what is the best approach you will follow. Suppose if you have three ideas in your mind, mention all those three ideas in the comment section. Just jump into the topic. Okay. So here the question is, we do have two database. Okay. One is source here. So one is source. Source is MySQL and target. Target is Snowflake. So how we are going to migrate data from one to another. Okay. This is our source system. This is our target. So I want to migrate data from, okay, there is a table. Okay. You can take any one table. It's like customer table or employee table or whatever it is. You can think of it contains 1 million records. It contains, let me write it here. Table contains 1 million records. I want to migrate data from source to destination. This is the first question. Okay. This is our first question. You can take any database, not only MySQL. You can consider Oracle also. Okay. That is up to you. Which database you want to work. MySQL or Oracle or DB2. Okay. This is an existing system. So there is a new system. Okay. There's a target system. So there you need to migrate all your source data into target database. Okay, this is our first question. Next, you want to migrate data from here to here. So what is your approach? Okay. Next thing is the source system, right? Okay, this is an old system. There is an user. Okay. There is an user. He or she is going to insert the data into keep on into MySQL or Oracle system. Okay, whatever the new data it is coming. So you need to sync with Snowflake. Okay, what you need to do? So the first question is the old data. It's like 1 million records. It's already there. So that you need to migrate. Okay, that you need to copy. Now, whatever the new data it is storing into source system. The same data you need to update into target. So this is the task for you guys. So what you need to do? Just you need to comment or you have to write an email. Okay. So my email ID is vitschool21@gmail.com. So what you need to do? Just you need to write an email or comment in a comment section. Okay. So what is your approach for these two questions? This is very, very important even for interviews in a real time also. Okay. So how many ways we can migrate data from one DB to another? You can think of, so this is our new system. The target system is new. This is the new system. So this is our old system. Okay. So old system, it's already contains some records. So you have to migrate from here to here. Okay. So what is your approach by using MuleSoft? Then there is another question. Okay. New data, it is storing into source system always. Okay. So whatever the data it is storing, we need to sync. We need to always update into Snowflake. So these two questions you have to analyze and send me your comments. What is your approach? Okay. That's it for this video. I'll see you in a comment section. Happy learning.